Hi everybody, Laurie here from Unique in the Creek, and I made this wreath last week out of one of our kits, but I just wanted to show you a little trick I did. With this wreath, it was kind of imperative with the design of it that the ribbon tails were exactly where I wanted them to be. So what I did was I put a little dab of glue under the 5/8 and ran it down the middle of the outside tails, just like this, so I could make sure that the ribbon was definitely down in the center. And what I also did is I wanted an overlap of the 1.5 and the 2.5 inch, and make sure they didn't separate. All you have to do is put a little dab of glue, behind, and let it dry, and then you can put your ribbon tails wherever you need them to be. What you can also do is put a little bit of dab of glue on the back of the mesh and hold it in place. That way, when your customer gets a wreath like this, you don't have to talk them through on how to fix the ribbon tails. You just add a little tiny bit of glue and you can put your ribbon tails wherever they need to be. Okay, so I didn't do it on the live, and I thought, oh, I probably should share that. I don't know if other people do that or not, but all my ribbon tails are glued and they look exactly the same. And then the outside ones are the blue. 5/8 is running down the tail of the golden cream. I just love this wreath. You can find how to make this wreath on our YouTube channel, Unique in the Creek. Thanks for watching. Bye.